Hi students, happy Friday and happy day right before spring break. You're gonna make it. I hope that you really take a break over spring break and that you feel relaxed and spend time with your families. So on this day before break, let's work really hard. Let's get as much writing done as possible. And today I'm going to teach you first how to do some mentor sentencing. So I am currently in the mentor text document that I showed you the other day and that was due on Wednesday. Your chart is all filled out. You've got comments along the side of things you noticed. And now I want to show you how to copy a sentence and use it for your own writing. So I really love this author, how this author writes right here. She says, "You may wonder, so what? Has there been a study that proves housing microplastics inside your body is harmful? Not yet, but still. Firstly, it's gross. I'm eating a material that's meant to last beyond 1,000 years and will probably accompany my skeleton long after I putrefy in my grave." Okay, so I love this thing she does here where she goes, "You may wonder," and then a colon, and then "so what?" and then a question mark. And I'm going to use that in my own writing. So I'm going to try that over here. I wrote, "You might be thinking, who cares? Recess won't get kids to college, will it?" And you guys, a lot of people are thinking that. They're like, high schoolers do not need recess because that does not get them to college and that does not get them into a career, right? So who cares? Recess won't get kids into college, will it? I'm going to say, not alone, but without it, mental health plummets. Plummets means like decreases really hard. And happiness decreases. What's the point of a college degree if we don't also find holistic happiness? I'll start with that. So I'm going to copy and paste this into my own writing, which is over here. Okay. I'm going to put it in its own paragraph, and I'll be adding evidence. All right. So that's how to create a mentor text, create a mentor sentence in your own sentencing. Find a cool sentence that you really love in a mentor text and write something similar to it in the same style as it, and then copy and paste it into your writing. All right, check out my other videos for Works Cited. That's next.